Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Camry air filter. First, ensure your car is parked safely with the engine off. You will need a new air filter, which you can find at any auto parts store, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Once you have your tools, open the hood of your Camry. The air filter housing is typically a large black box located near the engine. Now that you've located the air filter housing, it's time to open it. You'll usually see 2 to 4 metal clips around the edges. Unclip these. Some models might also have a few screws that need loosening with your screwdriver. Once all fasteners are released, gently lift the top half of the housing. Be mindful of any attached hoses or wires and avoid pulling them too forcefully. With the housing open, you can now see the old air filter. It will likely appear dirty, possibly with leaves or debris. Carefully lift it out. Pay attention to how it sits in the housing. The new filter needs to go in the same way. Now, take your new, clean air filter and place it into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly and correctly. Once the new filter is in place, carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back down. Make sure it aligns properly with the bottom section. Re-engage all the metal clips and tighten any screws you loosened earlier. Double-check that everything is secure before closing your hood. You've successfully changed your air filter. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.